So what a day we've had, eh? I said at the beginning this would be different, and I think it really has been. So many people have been privately saying how special it's been in various different ways. And there's, you know, if we just very quickly look back, we had Julie Mayer with her example of David dancing with Goliath, which is one of those wonderful visual things that I'm sure will all help us in times of inspiration and you know, that feeling of, yes, you can carry on, yes, I can go and knock on that door or whatever. Then we had Bruce and his 360 thinking, and I'm sure we're all going to be looking for that Motorhead wine now, really, aren't we? And I don't know if Nick Otley was in the room at that point, but if he was, he really should be approaching Iron Maiden about some beer. You know, we've had really inspiration in lots of ways, and we've all shared that. So the last thing you want is me using up your time going through what we've done. I think we all remember, and we all have those particular little vignettes that will keep us going. Now, I hate to kind of nag you, but I will very quickly. Evaluation forms will be sent out electronically. Please fill them in. I know people always say that, but they really are important in terms of getting feedback on what you thought of today, which, as I said before, as an idea, you know, it was set up by entrepreneurs for entrepreneurs. So your feedback is absolutely important and will determine whether anything like this happens again. And the detail of it, you know, really tell us the things that worked well for you, the things that didn't, the moments when perhaps you wandered and thought, what shall I have for Christmas? And the moments when you were absolutely not wanting that conversation to finish. So please do that. And apart from that, really all is left to me is to thank everybody. Thank our speakers who have been fantastic and given their time so generously with conversations over lunch, conversations before this morning, and in fact there's more carrying on just now the moment I stop talking. So, you know, thank you to the speakers, thank you to all the guests. And really thank you to all of you, because I think one thing we all recognise is your time is more valuable than anything. And for you to give up so much time, let alone the brain cells, for today, in the hope that we will all gain something, become better as a result, is really generous of you and your spirit. So thank you very much. And thank you to the team that have organised this. It's been brilliant. There's also one man who I'm now going to really embarrass, who had the germ of the idea that has led to today, and that's Walter May, and he's sitting in the middle, so he can't be seen. Now, Walter didn't give up, did he? And your evaluation forms will work out whether it's a success or not. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Bye-bye.